how to download the music from YouTube to MP3. Hi everyone, my name is Saad, and in this video we are going to see how we can download a copyright-free music from the YouTube audio library. So whether you want to use it in your videos as a songs or just intro outros, you can use different kind of beats and music from the music library. So let's see how we can access that. First of all, we head over to youtube.com, and after that just access the profile icon right at the corner at the top and click on YouTube Studio. Now once we are in here, we need to scroll down a little bit until we see this option, which is audio library. Just go in here, and here we have the collection of all the music, sound effects, and whatever you like. So you can listen to it by playing it from here. And if you want to download any particular track, just go to the right area where it says download. As you hover over to any particular area where it is mentioned with the date, it is changed to download option. So just click on it and it will immediately start downloading. So just go to that folder where it is downloaded and you can simply play it from here. So you can use all of these sound effects and music in all of your videos without any copyright. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please hit the like button. Also, if you want to learn more about YouTube, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.